For part B of this question, we're asked to sketch the graph of y equals modulus of x plus 3. So to begin with, we need ourselves a pair of axes. And any pair of axes, of course, make sure you label with x and y. And for modulus of x plus 3, it means that essentially any negative x value will still return a positive x value. Okay, so we know it's going to intersect at 3. And for this one, it's a fairly straightforward graph, just like that, and label it with its equation. Moving on to part 2, it asks to explain why the modulus of x plus 3 is greater than or equal to x plus 3, and that's the modulus of all of x plus 3 for all real values of x. So the clue here is in part 1, we've been asked to sketch a graph. So part 2, it would make sense to also use this sketch to prove that statement. So what we can do is if we sketch the graph of y equals the modulus of all of x plus 3, we know it's going to go through and have an x root of minus 3. And it's going to look a little bit like that. Okay, and again, label it. Okay, and for this, you just say what you see. Because you can see here that the graph of y equals modulus of x plus 3 is always either the same, because it is the same here, or above the other graph. So if you just write a concluding statement, okay, so start off, talk about the graph of y equals modulus of x plus 3. Okay, so it's either the same or above the graph of y equals modulus of all of x plus 3. And therefore supports the original statement.